Hello guys, welcome back. Let's craft together. So today we're gonna do an easy DIY. Every DIY that I do is easy because I show you how to do it, and because I show you how to do it, I make it simple and easy for you guys to do. So you know that in Dollar Tree has these boxes that is like confetti for birthday presents. So what I did with these boxes, I spray painted them in gold, but I'm gonna use this small one. Just that I'm gonna take one of this floral foam. The same thing with this floral foam. I used it for other decor box. Make sure you put enough hot glue. Then after you put it, we're gonna just go ahead and place it inside like that. So then I'm gonna go ahead and put this flower and I'm gonna place it inside like that. I'm gonna do it blue, but you could do it other color. I'm gonna take a toothpick and then place it inside, and I'm gonna put some blue flower in there just to make it look cute and stand out like that. I'm also gonna do some white just to make it look extra cute. Let's incorporate some white flower in there, not just blue. I think everything that you add a little bit of white, it just make it cute. I don't know if it's because I'm obsessed with white. Maybe that's why, because I like white a lot. And then we're gonna place it in this side. And like that is already a centerpiece. I'm just saying. I had another idea now that I'm here. I'm like, oh, you could also place something like that. Yeah, you could place it like that and put a candle there like that. I might do that later, but that's not why we're here. Let's focus. That's the thing when you craft, like thing comes up that you're not even thinking. But I found this in Dollar Tree. Let me see what's the top. I think this like a little round picture frame that was like this. I just took this part out and we're just gonna use this part like that. Okay, here I'm gonna take a piece of floral foam because I want to make it higher because I don't want the frame to be as low as that. Make sure you put enough hot glue here because this needs to hold, and that picture frame is not light, it's a little bit heavier. I should have thought of that, but I didn't think of it for a minute. Let's see. Yeah, I think that's fine. So in here, I'm gonna take a not a toothpick, a stick, and I'm gonna place it with a hot glue, and then I'm gonna go all the way the other floor foam like that. There you go. And here we're gonna have to cut it like this. So then I'm gonna just cut it there. I'm gonna put another one. You could put a few like that just to hold it down because we want to be able to hold it there. So you're gonna like place it inside the floor foam a little bit, put a little bit of the hot glue, and then we're gonna place it inside, right? And at the same time, we're gonna put hot glue in the stick so then it can attach. And then this comes out, and I don't want that, so I'm gonna cut it. So in here, I'm gonna take the glass after we do that, and I'm gonna place it inside. The thing about this one in the back, you have to be aware that it has this. I'm gonna show you. So you will have to spray paint it in white. So you see how it has this? Just spray paint this in white, or you could place another one of this in this side. So then it will be, if you want it for both sides. If you don't want it for one side, just place another one of this in the back. Everything has a solution, guys. After that, I'm gonna take one of these and I'm gonna place it here. The good thing about these centerpieces is that you could do you guys can do any theme and it will go with it. Like it doesn't matter. Just add it to the theme that you're doing it. This could be for any party theme that you guys are doing. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and place it on this side. You can leave it just with this, but I'm also gonna place this in here and then just go ahead and do it in there like that. And here we could also add some white stuff. We're just gonna add the white little thing in there like that, right? Just to make it cute. Once we do this, we're going to use to put a cute little one on the top as well, like that. So we're just gonna put a little bit of hot glue and we're gonna attach it in there. Just hold it down like that. Let the craft comes out of you. You think that's true that some people just don't have that in them, like they have no skill of crafting? Because I think crafting is something that you can learn, you know? I don't know, like I could be in Dollar Tree and I look at an item and then I'd be like, oh my God, I could create this. Or I look at something like, oh my God, I could make this. It's so weird. Like when I go to the store and it's like I cannot even be going to the store about anything about craft, but because I'm there and it's like my brain just think about crafting. Isn't that weird that all you think about is crafting? Like why? Like that's the only bad thing that everything you see, you just want to shop. Oh, let me make this. Let me buy this for my craft. That's the only thing about crafting. Don't you guys think? The money. Because all you want to do is buy stuff to craft. I'm gonna place it right. Maybe this one at the bottom. And I'm gonna take another one and place it right in here. I'm just gonna take it apart. That's something that you guys can do. Or you also can do that instead of attaching all the branches, just take it apart. And yeah, this will be easier. So just do it like that. But I did it like this, so like that. I put a little bit of this gold thingy around it. What is the most stuff that you guys bought like to craft? Like is it beads, vinyl? So they have this happy birthday sign. I'm gonna place it right in here. So I'm gonna just take a little bit of hot glue on the little leg of the birthday sign. I mean, you could also just get any sign. It doesn't have to be with a little leg. Just get any little sign that says happy birthday. And we're gonna place it in right in here. And you could also get a number sign if you want just to be the table number. Eh, tell me that ain't cute, guys. Tell me that ain't cute. We can leave it as that. We can also place something right here. All I'm saying is, guys, you can make out of anything. Anyways, like I was saying, what I have the most, I think, is boxes. Like I don't know, every little boxes that I see, I think I can create a centerpiece. So I do collect a lot of boxes. What do you collect, guys? So, anyways, this is how cute you guys it turned out. The good thing about this one, you can make it in other colors, whatever color you guys would like, and it will look great as well. I hope you guys like it. So for this one, we're gonna do something very simple. This one is more like for party decor, but I think you could also use it for home decor if you don't add a few things. I'm gonna put a little bit of hot glue and let's just attach it around it like that. Just continue going around it like that until you cover like the whole little glass on top. A party. Let's just talk about party today. The key for a party is your decor. Let's say decorations, right? But you know that you have to focus on your centerpieces, your table centerpiece, or the display, however you're gonna put it. So you always the accessory is always the key for your decorations. Remember that. Like just don't put a centerpiece in plain. If you're doing a centerpiece, add little cute things. Add like little candles, little beads, whatever you have. Just add things up because that's what makes the centerpiece like stand out. And here I'm gonna put like a cute little butterfly, and I'm gonna place it like right there, and place a butterfly in here. And here, if your thing is nothing with butterfly, you can add a bee, you can add like any stickers, you can add like a little diamond, a little flower. Like it depends on your decor that you're gonna accessorize. So just buy cute little things, gold little things, silver thing, whatever you accessorizing with, you just buy even if you don't have a mind to use it, just buy it because at the end of the day, you're gonna end up adding those things into the centerpiece. Remember that the key for a centerpiece is the accessory. So then I'm gonna take this rock in here and place it inside. Place more. I'm gonna put the light inside and cover it with the rock. So before you put the rock, make sure you add the light and just leave the top out so you can always just go like that, place it inside, and then cover your light with the rocks. Just leave the light a little bit, cover with the rocks, but leave it a little bit for you could turn it on and turn it back off. And then we're just gonna put a little light in there like that. In here, after you do that, I'm gonna take these cute little branches like that, and I'm gonna place it inside. So just put it through the rock and then just spread it out. And then I'm gonna do the same thing with this color. like that. And look how simple you created a centerpiece for. It could be for a baby shower, it could be for um a gender reveal party. Like just put accessorize. I'm gonna accessorize with this little beads, gold little beads. And then we're just gonna go ahead and place it in here. And then you see how cute that looks. But if you add up like a few things, I'm gonna put a tea light inside there, place it in there like that. And then we're gonna do another one too. Then we're gonna put another one in there and the side. We're gonna turn it on. Now let's turn this thing on. And there you have like a cute little centerpiece. So simple, so easy that you guys can do for your party decorations. It's good for a baby shower, even a wedding centerpiece. It can be done for a wedding as well.